Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make chains in Minecraft. Chains are very easy to make, okay? First of all, we'll be using iron. Iron, it is the only ingredient you really need for this tutorial. Now, irons can be found in iron ores. Iron ores can be found basically anywhere in the map, on caves, on top, wherever you desire, okay? Now, to break an iron ore, you will need a stone pickaxe or above. It can be iron pickaxe, whatever, but stone pickaxe is the bare minimum you need to break an iron ore. If you break it with anything else, you will not get your iron ingot. Okay? Now, you're gonna get your iron ingot, and you're gonna find a crafting table. First of all, what you need to press your iron ingot here, and you're gonna get something called iron nuggets. Then you're gonna put your iron ingot here, and you're gonna surround it with the iron nuggets, and you're gonna get chains. Okay? Now this is a tutorial for it. In order to get your iron ores, as well, to get your iron, you will need a furnace. Drop your furnace here. You're gonna get your iron ore, and you're gonna right click. You need to use sticks. This will burn the iron ore. The more it burns, you're gonna get your iron ingot. It gives 1 for iron ore. And you can use the same procedure to put 1 iron ingot here. And it's the same procedure. Works the same. And you get your chains. And you can use them however you want. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next